Can you walk us through some of the key components like biological control agents and RNA-based pesticides?
Let me introduce you the new toolkit that NextGen BioPest will develop for plant protection, and this toolkit includes several innovative solutions designed to be more sustainable and effective at the same time than the traditional pesticides. Let's see first of all the biological control agents. Also, we will develop some RNA-based pesticides. Actually, this is one of the most innovative aspects of our project because RNA-based pesticides work by targeting the genetic material of pests. This is the core. So essentially, these biopesticides deliver RNA molecules that interfere with the pest's ability to survive or even reproduce. Since these RNA molecules are very specific to the target pest, they do not harm beneficial insects, other plants or animals. This approach can offer a highly targeted, effective way to control pests with minimal environmental impact and loss.